So despite the fact that most of our income are on paper, ladies and gentlemen, please give thanks to your board of directors. Come on! Who are applause to your board of directors? Come on! Say your thanks to the members of the finance committee. Come on! And to your officers headed by our administrator. So, you guys, because MCDC take care of you will receive not less than last year, but you'll also receive a cash of 20,000 pesos. And just to complete, because we are a cooperative, right? Everybody should earn, everybody should benefit being a member, a clientele of this cooperative. So my fellow active medical staff members, the doctors, will also have their share of bonuses at 20,000 pesos. And hear this, where can you find a hospital in this whole Quezon province that will give their visiting medical staff, this active visiting medical staff, a bonus of 10,000 pesos? Where? And of course, to those of you who are working at MCDC and likewise are members, full-fledged members of the MCDC cooperative, as a cooperative member, you are also entitled to a bonus of 20,000 pesos. On top of your being employees of MCDC.